How to get blue tick on Facebook. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments if it did, and then let's get started. So I'll just show you guys how to verify your Facebook account. And what you basically want to do is, be on the homepage and then go to the menu. On the top right corner, you have this settings icon where you want to click on. And here in the settings and privacy, you have the account center, like the Meta account center over here. That's where you want to click on. And then all the way at the bottom, you can see Meta verified. Now, if you click on there, for me, it actually says join the waitlist for Meta verified. So I have to be, on the waitlist, and I can join that. And it says you're on the waitlist. Thank you for your interest. We'll send you a notification when Meta verified is available to you. So that just means that in my country, or at least for my account, Meta verified is not yet available. So I actually cannot get the blue tick on Facebook, and that is due to a couple of reasons. So here in the help center of Facebook, it says eligibility requirements, and you have to be at least 18 years or older, a public or private profile that's associated with your full name, aligns with naming standards, and has profile picture that includes your face, to meet minimum activity requirements, a government-issued ID, two-factor authentication, and of course, follow the terms of service and community standards. So these are the eligibility requirements that you have to meet in order to actually get Meta verified. Now, like I said, if you also have to join the waitlist because you're not, it's not yet available for you, then that probably means that either you do not meet any of at least one of the requirements, or you live in a country where Meta verified is not yet available. Because via Meta verified, you can actually buy a subscription in order to get the blue tick on Facebook. So that is basically it. That is how to get blue tick on Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.